Hey there, wanted to show you a quick, easy, and free way to capture your screens for a presentation or lecture. To start off, we're going to Google search or enter Screencast-O-Matic into the search bar. There it is. And click Start Recording for free. Launch free recorder. And as you can see here, we have a couple of options. First is your screen size. You can adjust that using the drop down here to select from a couple of predefined screen sizes, or you can simply drag to resize the capture area. Now it's important to note anything inside these dotted lines will be captured, so set your recording space appropriately. Next, you can set your microphone input source by clicking the narration menu. And if you happen to have a USB or other microphone plugged into your computer, you can find it here. Otherwise, use the default or built-in microphone of your computer or laptop. Now, it's important to note that the free version of Screencast-O-Matic will not record computer audio, meaning if you have a video or other audio source in your PowerPoint slides or presentation, that the free version will not record that. Now, you do have a couple of options at the top of the preference pane. You can choose to capture your screen, you can choose to capture a webcam, or you can capture both. When you're ready to begin recording, simply click the red record button and record your presentation. When you're finished, hit the stop button, and then you'll have the option to save your video to your computer's hard drive. Hope that's been helpful.